Hi, good morning. This is Mayuur with the weekly analysis of the market. Let's move immediately. Let's check out what the market has done and going to the charts. So starting with the Nifty, okay, let's do it. And normally when we talk about weekly analysis, we directly jump to the weekly, okay, and we'll love to see what the weekly analysis looks like. So market going one side, and the last 2 weeks becoming difficult for the people to dissect. And look at this. And I would love to check this out. Just check this out. What has happened? Okay, let me expand the screen. Able to see this, right? Just check this out. Look at this. Okay, look at this. Huh? Look at this. What is the price doing? Let's understand this. What is the price done? And then market going down, opening with a gap down. Right over here at the top. Okay. So what I am going to do as far as the weekly analysis, I'm just going to draw that line over there. कि वही जगह पे आया है कि नहीं आया है. So let me push in the. Let me draw the supply zone over here. Okay, and the line over here where the price has started to drop. Okay, same point, this particular line. Okay, so what I can do is I can just go there. Prices come inside the zone. Prices come inside the zone. So technically, is this not the supply zone which we are looking at? Again and again, I keep on telling everyone, price has moved superb, and people are crazy. Oh my God, abhi aur upar jayega, aur upar jayega. And when it comes inside the zone, weekly zone, and the price doing the correction. Now I'm not saying what it has done, but it has done the correction. So people want to buy right at the top. This is the mindset. Hello, change your mindset. Change the way you look at the market. And this is going to help you out. So weekly may we have seen this, right? Now you will ask me what has happened. And last 2 se 3 din hua, we are telling sell, 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 sell. And this is what the scene is in the daily chart. Daily chart mein jate hain. Let's take the daily chart. So what is the daily chart telling us? A beautiful 1, 2, 3 reversal right on the top. Everybody agrees on this, and then the fall coming in. Abhi dekhiye, फंसते कहां पे? First time price going up. You feel, oh my God, I am left out. देखा, price तो नीचे नहीं जा रहा है. Price is just going up. So again, the first rule which we keep on in our mind, not to what? Not to buy the first time, right or not? And then what happens? Price going down, price going down. Okay, abhi kya hoga? What are the levels as far as our levels are concerned? What are the important levels for Monday morning? Let's put in the lines in place. So 17, what was the high? 17,677 ka high mara, and then price went down. Okay, yahan pe 17,739 ka high mara. So technically speaking, okay, people who basically follow the trend and all that, technically speaking, higher high, a higher low bana hai, a higher low bana hai, and it gives a higher high also. But the issue is why in the last week we saw price going down, and even this week it has gone down with a gap down. So we saw the weekly thing coming in again, not to buy. Now where do you sell? Important thing is, agar subah subah mein you have a range over here, okay, if it opens in between, we are still fine. But if it opens with a gap down, then we are going to go down for sure, as far as the daily charts are concerned. So now this is the daily chart. Okay, so upper jayega to again you are entering the zone, supply zone. So again, I would not love to buy over there right inside the zone. Okay, so one important point over here. So let's look at 240 minutes 4-hour chart. 240 minutes chart. What is the price doing? Look at this. In the 4-hour chart, what is the price done? Okay, price trying to go up for the first time, not sustaining, a beautiful 1 2 3 reversal coming in. Okay, no follow up of the candle, price not ready to go up, no follow up of the candle, and it has done the dancing now, right? Whether the price is going to go up or down, but very very clear understanding, 17,764 and 821 is your supply zone. So I will draw the supply zone over here and keep it for myself, and this is the place, very very important levels jahan se price is dancing. Now which is the level, kahan talak niche ja sakta hai? So we have our pivot levels also in place. Okay, the pivot levels में gap down open होता है तो सीधा सीधा where it will come, 1590 level, जहां से last 4 hours का ये बना है, ये last 4 hours का. Okay, so I'm going to draw a single line over here. So this is your pivot, 17,600 के नीचे, 17,600 के नीचे अगर प्राइस चले जाता है तो क्लोजिंग नीचे आता है तो क्लो. So technically here you can see that here is your demand zone as far as your 240 minutes 4-hour ka chart is concerned. Now what will happen if Monday morning ko price directly gaps down over here, 150 पॉइंट्स का गैप डाउन. आजकल बहुत इजी हो गया है, मींस गैप डाउन, गैप ओपन, गैप डाउन बहुत सिंपल तरीके से हो रहा है. सो इफ आई लुक एट इट, माय मदर कैंडल का साइज इज ह्यूज, 200 पॉइंट. ओके, विल इट स्टॉप ओवर हियर if it opens with a gap down, or if it wants to come up, then 17,600 level will act as a resistance over here, only to see that the price wants to go down. This is what I am anticipating. अगर ये नीचे खुल के ऐसे जाता है तो मॉर्निंग में if it starts to go down, we will use our 10 minutes rule, 45 minutes rule. ये तो जगह पे है ही है. So very important levels, 17,550 वाला level and 17,500 वाला level. लेकिन अगर ये सीधा सीधा नीचे खुल जाता है तो we will have to wait, let it come up, and then the continuation हो रहा है तो it will be very very clear, right? So the next level over here, what we see on the upside, चलो ये गैप ओपन खुलता है, so I will use my 5-minute rule for that, or a 10 minutes rule for that. If it is not sustaining on the top, okay, I will use my 5-minute rule. एक कैंडल का स्टॉप लॉस लगा के I can just wait for it to go down, or maybe 15 minutes rule which you are following, whatever it is. यहाँ पे I will buy less quantity in case I want to buy. Understand this, because if you see on a 4-hour chart, if you see on a 4-hour chart, high बन गया है, यहाँ पे lower high बना है, Okay, so first time again always I keep on telling first time नहीं buy करना है क्योंकि ये वाला selling आता है always ये वाला sell आता है. Very important thing, you need to understand the mindset. ऊपर के side पे we were in the supply zone as far as the daily charts were concerned or weekly charts were concerned. Okay, so 1 week probability of this price coming down very much likely over here. Okay, and going down further down, because think about overall scenario in terms of the world market is also concerned. So sideways to downwards is my view. Market will do something else. Yes, when my view is down, we will work on a different fashion altogether. So this is as far as the 240 minutes concerned. Going down to 60 minutes, not going to the 15 minutes and all that, but you can check this out. ऊपर से pressure नीचे का ही है. Okay, the whole thing will be not working if the price starts and moves above the 17,850 वाला levels. लेकिन प्रेशर अभी भी नीचे का बनाया हुआ है, सो वी विल स्टिल वेट. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अगर ये गैप डाउन ओपन खुलता है, आई विल नॉट गो इन बाय इमीडिएट. दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. ओके, सो आई विल नॉट बी बाइंग दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. चलो, लेट्स चेक द बैंक निफ्टी ऑल्सो. लेट्स चेक द बैंक निफ्टी ऑल्सो. ओके, लेट्स चेक द बैंक निफ्टी. तो बैंक निफ्टी के हिसाब से देख लेते हैं. सो बैंक निफ्टी में लेट्स गो एंड चेक द वीकली. नाउ as far as the levels are concerned, okay, as far as the levels are concerned, this we have the weekly level over here right at the top. So in this case price had fallen from this level, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll just draw the line over here, the top of this particular candle. Simple, that's it. Okay, now let me come back. Let me come. And then we go right over here. Now check this out. In the weekly also, the Bank Nifty is in that same zone. Bank Nifty seems to be strong, right? It is in the same zone where the price actually had fallen down. Same zone. Practically, this looks little strong over here, but as far as the Nifty is concerned, it is comparatively, you had the red color candle in this thing. Okay, so let's look at in a daily chart. Let's look at as far as the daily charts are concerned. Now see this same thing again and again getting repeated. Okay, a beautiful 1, 2, 3 reversal right at the top on the weekly supply zone. Okay, on the weekly supply zone, price going down. Okay, first time coming in again in the supply zone. So practically I don't want to buy over here. So next week may definitely I will not love to buy. Abhi daily chart mein we have a clear picture over here. We have a very, very clear picture over here. Okay, price not ready to go above 39,500. इसके अगले दिन पे भी आप देखिए 39,500. What was the high? 39,489. Acting as a resistance. Okay, now if you go to see the intraday, lot of volatility happening, but you can check out the option data. We'll have a very picture which is very, very clear. Okay, possibility of this opening down kitna hai. Okay, so in this case let's draw the level. Yahan pe main again I will still use the 39,000 as my round figure wala thing. Okay, closing below 3900 will again bring it down. So सुबह सुबह में अगर गैप ओपनिंग खुलता है तो the selling would be there. So 500 points ऊपर नीचे, just to take you to the smaller time frames, means 4 hours, 240 minutes chart, and look at this. Okay, strong selling coming in. Okay, and it is holding. Fine, it is holding. So practically, are we going to see a sideways move? Wants to go up, suppose wants to go up, okay, that means 39,500 के ऊपर जाने के बाद में. Okay, but resistance over here, right over here, resistance is there. Okay, so every time यहाँ पे ऊपर के साइड पे the capping will be there. Why? I will give you a reason for that also. We'll check the only 2 or 4 components as far as the bank Nifty ka constituents are concerned. Okay, now this is a mother candle. So the price going down below the 39. Okay, price going down below the 39 means यहाँ पे 500 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट पॉसिबिलिटी से लेके 1000 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट पॉसिबिलिटी. दैट मींस यहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ दिस 3800 अगेन कमिंग इन. ओके, ऊपर के साइड पे कैपिंग है. व्हाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पे दिस इज अ सप्लाई जोन. This is how I am looking at it. Let's look at it in terms of maybe 60 minutes chart. Like I always say, okay, you need to check this out. Agar any particular stock or the index, if it remains inside the zone for quite some time, now to find out the direction, okay, when it starts to move, okay, just draw the line. If it starts to move on the upside, we will check it out. ऊपर के साइड पे चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है. अगर ये opens with a gap down और नीचे चलना शुरू करेगा तो क्या करना है? It's a simple answer altogether. Okay, now what will stop it in the morning session? The 3900 फिर से ऊपर आने की कोशिश करेगा. Okay, and we need a line. ऊपर कहां तक आ सकता है? Let's look at the line also. Let me draw the line. 39,150 wala level is all what will I need. Okay, so in this case I will look at this 4 candles. 39,500 getting bashed up again and again on the upside. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. That means very much selling pressure coming in. Okay, now once it starts to go below 39,150, अगर ये खुलता नीचे है, okay, I know my levels on the top side. ऊपर जाने के बाद में, if it starts to move down, I would love to sell this out. This is how I am looking at it. खुलता कहाँ पे है? Very important. Let's look at it in the last few एक घंटे में, last के एक घंटे में उसने क्या किया, and going down to a smaller time frame. Technically weekly analysis में smaller time frame नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन just check this out. Okay, it went down 39 को उसने support लिया, फिर से ऊपर गया, and again it came down up to 39,500 levels. Now this is a very interesting chart. Will you not see this? Look at this. Price was not ready to do anything, and then the drop coming in, so strong a drop, only to see the price again going up, and then closing over here. Now this is a fight between the bull and the bear practically. So opening कहाँ पे होगा? बहुत important हो जाता है. So if it opens with a gap down, okay, we know for sure okay, this is going to now hold. अगर प्राइस एनालिसिस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नीचे आता है तो आई वुड लव टू सेल दिस, बिकॉज ऊपर सस्टेन नहीं हो रहा है, ऊपर सस्टेन नहीं हो रहा है. सो मे बी ये जितने लोग का स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ पे रखा होगा, सबका स्टॉप लॉस खा लिया, ये वो, एंड ऑल द अदर थिंग्स विच नॉर्मली हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग द इंट्राडे थिंग, बट there was a selling pressure coming in. So which are the stocks which are showing us whether the bank nifty wants to go down? Let's look at this very fast. Okay, I will go on the higher time frames only. Daily chart में देख लेते हैं. Okay, daily chart में देख लेते हैं few of the stocks which constitute the bank nifty. Okay, so one of the biggest stock is the HDFC. पहले हम लोग HDFC को देख लेते हैं. And what has the HDFC done? Practically not done anything, and the pressure is there down below. So anything below the low, open नीचे ही होगा तो फिर कुछ नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन pressure नीचे का ये है. Where is your support level of the bank nifty? 1433 वाला, right? 1433 to 1420 is your support level. In fact 12 का support level है, लेकिन possibility of this if it opens with a gap down. This is one thing. HDFC not doing following this thing. HDFC, let's check SBI. So let's check HBI. So SBI also, since the last whole week we had a very clear understanding 531 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, तब तक नहीं जाएगा. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर जाने के बाद में again it has given a sell वाला thing. So SBI is the one, again clearly it was that zone, ऊपर नीचे, again going up. Now see this, SBI not ready to go up, and अगर ये 520 के नीचे चलना शुरू करेगा, the selling pressure will be there as far as SBI is concerned. Coming down to 512 तक भी आ सकता है. So SBI को वॉच में रखना, सुबह सुबह में वो क्या कर रहा है. ओके, सो HDFC में दिख रहा है. ओके, दिस इज गिवन अ डोजी पैटर्न कमिंग एट द रेजिस्टेंस लेवल, हमारा जो 527 वाला था लेवल. ओके, सो टू स्टॉक्स थोड़ा वीकनेस दिखा रहा है. नाउ लुक एट दिस कमिंग राइट एट द टॉप, लेकिन ये कैंडल कुछ खास नहीं दिखा रही है, लेकिन नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू एक्ट एज माय सप्लाई जोन. This is going to act as my supply zone for the whole thing. This is practically looking like a strong, but let's look at it on a 60-minute chart and you'll see कि ऊपर में कितना लास्ट में कितना सेलिंग आ गया. ओके, सो यहाँ पे this is going to act as a supply zone as far as I am concerned. So 18 and 26, okay, coming right at the top. So anything below 1897, 890, again a round number, 1900 के नीचे. Okay, so this is one stock which seems to be up, which may hold the bank nifty for some time. Axis Bank देख लेते हैं. Okay, Axis Bank को देख लेते हैं, and you can see in Axis Bank also the selling pressure on the daily chart. Again Axis Bank में भी देखिए weekly zone which we had marked, not going up, and then again the pressure. Almost HDFC and Axis Bank का almost similar last two candles coming in. Okay, very important. अगर लो तोड़ता है तो which is going to bring the bank nifty also down. So let's ये ICICI Bank, one of the bank which has more holding as far as the bank nifty is concerned. Okay, bank nifty में ICICI Bank, is it holding? See this, not ready to go above 884. So 866 is one of the important level. अगर उसके नीचे का closing आ जाता है तो coming down to 850 levels, which can drive the ICICI Bank downside. 842 के levels तक भी ये पहुंच सकता है. As far as the let's look at very interesting chart. Let me show you as far as the weekly is concerned. So weekly में okay, ये इसको मैं यहाँ पे weekly zone करके mark करके रखता हूँ, and it is again trying to go up. So opening becomes very important over here. Okay, opening becomes very important over here. So this is where our levels will be 831 तलक का possibility coming in. Okay, so very interesting chart over here. In the whole daily chart में pressure पता चल जाएगा, is it going to go sideways or the pressure is going to be down below. Okay, so mota we have checked out all the strong stocks or the weak stocks as far as this is concerned. See, PSU banks where the holding is not much, maybe the IDBS first and all that, bearish engulfing in IDFC first. Okay, let's look at PNB. Okay, doing the dancing. Okay, and then going up right up, but not too much as far as what it is actually doing. Let's look at AU Bank. So AU Bank में तो clear है a 1 2 3 reversal. So pressure definitely AU Bank में दिख ही रहा है. बंधन बैंक को देख लेते. Such a big drop. Bandhan Bank again not able to sustain on the top. And let's last May Bank of Baroda, which was holding. Okay, which was holding. Now PSU banks working, but SBI, the leader, going down. So guys, very interesting week. In fact, we will have next week a gap down opening. It seems, is it going to hold for some time, or we are going to go down further? Monday morning will be a very interesting place to be in. The only thing is, how do you play the game? It's simple. Rules help you understand what to do, when to do. Now, you can be an investor, not a problem at all. So every dip is a buy, not necessary. Okay, you need to understand the game right before you take action. For the traders, wonderful opportunity where a lot of volatility is there. Okay, so please understand, the European market are facing a lot of issues as far as the energy crisis and other things which are coming in, which is going to have pressure in the European sector. Okay, and the Fed coming out with some rules, this, that, definitely our market too will be affected. Not necessary, it is a one-side game all the time. Okay, but wonderful way of looking at things. ऊपर नीचे होते रहेगा. You need to understand what you want to do. Okay, lot of opportunities in the market on the buyer side and the seller side. So I will see you next week with the weekly analysis. Thank you for joining me. Love you. Take care. And please, if you're not subscribed to the channel Mayuur Sampat, do that. Lot of interesting things are in place. The people who have already subscribed, I would really love to thank them for being part of this wonderful community. Thank you for joining once again. Please note that it is your money, your way of looking at the market. कौन क्या बोलता है उसके बदले, what is your system? What you want to do when the market functions? It is like I saying, why not follow the market instead of looking at things in a different manner? नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है के बदले just follow the market and see the way it gives you the money which you are looking for. Love you all. Take care. I'll see you next week with the weekly analysis. Take care. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.